everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel, English with Malak, in another video. Today we have a new video and we are going to talk about 5 mistakes that most of beginners make it. I know that is the same of the previous video, but no, this one will be the second part of my last video. So if you are interested and ready, let's begin with mistake number 1. The first mistake is forgetting the S or the ES in the third person singular. For example, if we are talking about he, she, and it, we have to add E or ES because there is some rules for the present simple, and we have to add S or ES to the verb. So, which one of these phrases is correct? He go to school or he goes to school? Which one of these is correct? The correct one is he goes to school. Why? Because the rule says if we have a verb that finishes with O, SH, CH, X, double S, we have to add ES. In normal verbs that don't finish with these letters and we want to conjugate it in present simple with he, she, and it, we have to add S at the end. And if you want to know more about the present simple, the present continuous also, I already made a video about present continuous alone, present simple alone. I already made another video where I talked about the 12 tenses. Okay, now let's say an example that we have to finish that mistake to move on to the second mistake. She likes chocolate. So, be focused also in my pronunciation. I don't say chocolate. We say chocolate. She likes chocolate. He loves football. He loves football. We can say football. We can say soccer. He loves football. Okay, here we add S or ES because we are conjugating the verb love with he or she or it. Okay, now let's move to second mistake. Is using in, the preposition in, instead of on. So, which one of these phrases is correct? I will meet you in Monday or I will meet you on Monday. Which one of these is correct? Yes, I will meet you on Monday is the correct one because we use on with days or also dates. I don't say dates, but the date, for example, whatever. Friday, January the 9th for 2026, maybe. And for days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We use in for months, years, or long periods. For example, we can say my birthday is in June. Why I said is in June, not on June? Because June is month. What are months? Months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Our 12 months. Okay? So, here we said in June, not on June, because here we talked about months. June. We can say I have a meeting on Friday. I used here the preposition on because we have the day Friday. Okay, I hope that you understand this mistake and don't do this mistake again. You have to know when do you use in and when do you use on. Okay, let's move to the third mistake. Third mistake is confusing between your, the Y-O-U-R, and your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. So, your is yours, something that is yours. But your with the apostrophe. Here is the abbreviation of you are, the short form of you are. Your is you are. For your is used when something is belonging to you. Your is used is if something belongs to you, and your with the apostrophe re is used to talk about you are. For example, your bag is beautiful. Here I talk about something that belongs to you, your bag. You are a good friend. So I'm talking to you using you are. You are a good friend. You're a good friend. You're a good friend. So now, which one of these phrases is correct? You're very nice, or you're with apostrophe very nice. You're very nice, or you are very nice. Good job. Of course that the phrase you are very nice is the correct one. Let's move to the next mistake. The fourth mistake is using there is instead of there are. So the question here, when do we use there is and when do we use there are? With what can we use there is and with what can we use there are? So let's answer together. But first, which of these phrases is correct? There is many books or there are many books. Which one of these is correct? There are many books. So now let's discover why we choose there are many books and not there is many books. We use there is with singular nouns and we use there are with plural nouns. Here we said there are many books, so we're talking about a lot of books, a group of books. So we're talking about a plural noun, there are. But if we're talking about a singular noun, there is a book on the table. So here we are talking about one book, something that is singular, so we use there is. Okay, let's give examples. There is a cat on the roof. There is a cat on the roof. So here we use is because cat is singular, one cat. There are 3 cats on the roof. Here we use there are because there is 3 cats, plural, 3 cats on the roof. Great job. Let's move to the 5th mistake. The last mistake is using do or does. The question is, when do we use do? When do we use does? With what should we use do? With what should we use does? So let's discover the answer. But first, which one of these phrases is correct? Do you like ice cream or does you like ice cream? Which one of these is correct? Great job, little kids. Do you like ice cream is the correct one. Why, Malak, do you like ice cream is the correct one? Because we use do when you are using the pronouns I, you, we, you, they. And we are using the does with 3 pronouns, he, she, and it. So let's give an example. Do they like football? Do they like football? Does she like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? So here we have to use does because we used the pronoun she. We said, just a little review, we use does with he, she, it. We use do with I, you, we, you, they. Great job. A little thing to remember. When we use here does, we don't conjugate the verb like, love, or other verbs such as go, or do, or watch, wash, fix, pass, etc. Why? Even if we want to conjugate it with, as you said, present simple, for example, does she like chocolate or does she like football? Here, because we already conjugate the verb do to does, it means that it's already conjugated to the present simple. Do is finished with O, so we add es to conjugate the present simple, and that way we can make a question. So please, second verb, does you like, does you go, that no sorry, do you go, do you like. So here don't conjugate the verbs even if you want to conjugate it the present simple, because already does is already conjugated with that tense. So that's it. We're reached the end of today's video. I hope that you understand a lot of things from today's lesson, and see you soon in another video. Bye and take care of yourself.